In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get next-day delivery on Amazon, or similarly, fast shipping, while also understanding the factors that affect its availability. Let's dive in and ensure you get your items as quickly as possible the next time you shop online. First and foremost, you'll want to make sure your shipping address is set up correctly. It's crucial to confirm that your default address is both accurate and eligible for next-day delivery. From time to time, if you have a different address entered in your cart or during checkout, it may alter the delivery options available to you, so keeping an eye on this is essential. As you start browsing for items, you should be on the lookout for labels such as free one-day delivery, next-day delivery, or available for arrival tomorrow. These tags indicate that the products you're viewing may be eligible for the expedited delivery service. You can also make use of the filters on the sidebar to streamline your search. Filters like Delivery Day, Get It by Tomorrow, or One Day, Next Day can really help narrow down your options swiftly. Additionally, items that are Prime eligible and shipped by Amazon are more likely to offer next-day options. Once you've found an item you're interested in, it's time to check the delivery speed on the product page itself. Keep an eye out for notes like Delivery by tomorrow's date, or Arrives tomorrow. Occasionally, after you enter your zip code, you might see an update in the delivery options, so don't skip this important step. After deciding on your purchase, add the item to your cart and proceed to review the details at checkout. Here, you'll find the different shipping options available. If next-day delivery is on the list, make sure to select it. Bear in mind that sometimes additional fees apply if you don't meet the minimum order amount for free next-day delivery in your region, so it's worth being vigilant to avoid surprises. When presented with multiple shipping choices, be sure to pick the one marked One Day, Next Day, or Delivery Tomorrow. This ensures your order arrives promptly, as intended. Finally, one crucial aspect to remember is completing your order before Amazon's designated time cutoff. Typically, this is in the afternoon, and orders placed by then are eligible for next-day delivery. Missing this cutoff time could mean your delivery is next day, but actually a day later than expected. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the convenience of having your products at your doorstep the very next day. This concludes our guide. Thank you for tuning in, and happy shopping.